Purchase orders. We're going to talk purchase orders. It's important to have these in the system. If the system thinks you need to order product, knowing that you have something on order is important. So to do that, make sure you select your brand first. By default, once you select it, it should remember that it is your brand. Go into purchase orders, and you'll see I have some already open. There are the closed ones here. And what you can do is just create a new one, brand, SKU, order date. This will get easier as we go in the future where you can add multiple information, but you want to be able to put in your total cost here. If you ordered 100 units and that cost you $2,000, that way the system can figure out cost of goods on that. You can also make updates to the ones that are here. There's little 3 dots there. As you receive units, it will deduct it out of what's outstanding. So the system knows I don't have 1,500 units outstanding. I have 1,300 units outstanding. I'm going to just hit update. This is a very important piece. It does take a little effort to make it happen. This doesn't notify manufacturers or anything like that. This is just for the system to track what is on order for the analysis.